Welcome. If you're looking to save space on your device or simply want to keep your Gmail app running smoothly by syncing only the most recent emails, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to sync only the last 30 days of emails in your Gmail app. This updated method is quick, easy, and perfect for managing your inbox more efficiently. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. You'll find it in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on that to reveal a list of options. Next, scroll down through the menu until you see Settings. Tap on Settings to open your account preferences. Here, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you have connected to the Gmail app. Tap on the email account for which you want to limit the sync period. Now, you'll be inside the settings for that specific account. Look for an option called Manage Labels and tap on it. This section controls how your Gmail app handles syncing for different folders and labels. Find and tap on Inbox in the list of labels. This is where you control how many emails from your inbox get synced to your device. Under Inbox Settings, look for Sync Messages. When you tap on this, you'll see several options for how far back Gmail should sync your emails. Select Last 30 days. This setting tells the app to only download and keep emails from the past month on your device, helping to free up storage and keep your inbox manageable. And that's it. You've successfully set your Gmail app to sync only the last 30 days of emails. This simple adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you have limited storage or want faster access to your most recent messages. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient Gmail experience.